Hi everyone, we are here again today to open the LH Cosmetics calendar for this day and also Caia Cosmetics for the 6th December. And I do have my glasses on, sorry, I'm just tired and don't want to take them off. So let's just open and see what's hiding in today's. I think this is number 6, is it? Yes, it is. This is LH Cosmetics. Let's open it. I open one every day. And today we do have a LH Cosmetics crayon, and this is in shade, what's shade? I think it's the shade, it doesn't say. It's 24-hour, long-lasting and waterproof makeup pencil, Born to No Rules. And you can use it as a lip liner, lipstick, doesn't matter. And it's cherry. It's a cherry color. Really like this color. I do have it. It's this color. I have all of the colors from LH Cosmetics, so I'm definitely giving this one away. But it's a really good product. One of my most used products from LH Cosmetics. Now we are going to open the Caia Cosmetics one. I have to be honest, it's very hard for me to open one every day because I'm used to open all of them immediately when it arrived. But I really wanted to do something different. I mean, calendar should supposed to be calendar, so let's see, Caia Cosmetics. Today in this we have a do it yourself, and this is a dewy stick. I'm not going to open it because I already have this as a matte version. There is a matte and a dewy one. I know I bought when they launched dewy stick and a matte stick, and I sent the dewy one to my friend Valerie. I don't know if she likes it or if she still uses it, but it's a good product. I heard. I don't know. I like the matte one. I don't usually use it as much as I maybe should, but it's a good product. I heard good things about it, but I don't know if my friend Valerie likes it or if she find it necessary. But I'm going to keep it and give it to somebody else, maybe in a Christmas gift. We'll see. But that's the day's calendar. Tomorrow we open another one.